making our way to the rainforest. Oh my god! Wait for me, please. Oh! Yo, this is what? There's a monkey. Wait for me. Oh, like yo, look at this. It's like we're legit in a forest. Oh, Tiki. Like this is really cool. I didn't even know that snake was there. Oh, oh, look at that. It moved. Okay, we can't get too distracted. We're going in our own adventure right now. Look at that monkey. Look, more monkeys. Okay, Tiki. Okay, so going on our own adventure right now. I'm like literally stoked to freak out, man. Gotta watch out for these stairs. For the stairs. Okay, more stairs. It's moving. Get out the way. That's so cool. It has that, like,
yeah.
Like it's about like
rain. Yeah.
Yeah, like take the burger out.
The barbecue bacon cheeseburger.
Besides, you could just always save that.
And then
That's a big burger. I got the spare weaves.
Look at
Took it. This place is awesome. So we're about to enter this little place right here. Everything looks so cool. Everything looks so cool. Oh. Now we're just gonna come in here. They got so much stuff in here. Ooh. Look at these little, oh my god.
His mom loves those type of
Oh, those, yeah.
We need
Def.
a one.
Look at all this.
Yeah.
Ooh. Look at that. It's really nice, very like authentic.